favourites is a primary school teacher. Who here thinks that their teacher's a hero? Oh, that's hands. Teacher looking around. Okay, hands down. Hands down. Okay, my hero is called Louis Serrano, and he is a primary school teacher from a small town of La Gloria in northern Colombia. And Colombia is a country in South America which sadly has a long history of conflict and crime.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness to me. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to me. And everything that you receive up yonder is what you give to me today. I wonder. I'm on my way.
Hi, y'all! Emily, can we help tell the story, please? Because it's the story of the partnership of Louis and his 2 donkeys. Alpha, that's me.
And Beta, that's me. E-R.
Of course you can, donkeys. Now, children, does your school have a library in it? Yeah, I think I saw it on my way in. And do you have books in your classrooms? I thought so. In remote areas of Colombia, children have never had the opportunity to read books and learn about the world.
So Louis decided to take books to the children. And this is where we donkeys come in. Louis had the simple but brilliant idea of creating the biblioburro.
Colombian children speak Spanish, and biblioburro is Spanish for the donkey library. Do you think we can all have a go at saying biblioburro together after 3? 1, 2, 3. Biblioburro.
Every weekend, Louis saddles up in the early hours of Saturday morning.
And we persevere as we ride through dangerous countryside to take around 100 books to some of Colombia's poorest children.
This is a picture of Louis and his biblioburro, his donkey library. Louis says when you sit on a donkey for up to 8 hours, you get very tired, but it's all worth it. The children are so excited to see us and eagerly await their chance to get help with their reading. There he is with the children, speaking to them. Alpha here looks pretty happy too. I think he enjoys it.
And we're happy because the man and donkey team has helped over 4,000 children to read, and it's all been done at the weekend in Louis' spare time.
Louis calls it a labour of love because he's passionate about educating children so they can read and write. And he wants them to be able to think for themselves and become good citizens who will in time help change Colombia and make it a better place to live.
What a hero!
Do you donkeys have any animal heroes?
Among our all-time favourite heroes are guide dogs.
Yes, they persevere, and after many years of careful training, become the eyes and ears of blind or disabled people, protecting them when they travel and even helping them around the home.
They become their owners' lifelong friends and make wonderful partners just like donkeys.
Yeah, but we're just too big to fit in people's houses. E-R.
Oh, well said, donkeys. Do you have any other heroes?
Yes, sirree. we have a box of heroes.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Bye, all.
Bye, donkeys. Oh, wow. I love chocolates.
Me too, and I've got a box of Cadbury's roses. What have you got?
Me 3, and I've got a picture here of one of my heroes.
Who's that?
But his name was George Cadbury.
Oh.
And George was passionate about making chocolate and also about creating good living and working conditions for his employees. Does anyone here like flowers? Well, I do. I'm a gardener. And can you see from this photograph of a painting of George, a rose in his lapel? Can you see that? Okay. George said that no one should live in a place where a rose cannot grow.
Oh, so what did he do?
Well, he persevered against criticism, and he built a factory in the countryside called Bourneville, and nice houses with large gardens for his employees to protect them from the harmful effects of living in overcrowded slums.
Wow.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
He believed that healthy surroundings gave everyone a better chance of enjoying happiness. So he built parks and sporting facilities and swimming pools, things that were simply unheard of in Victorian times for his workers to enjoy.
Wow, that's amazing.
It was. And whenever one of his female employees was leaving to get married, he'd invite her to his office to thank her for her services, and he gave her roses and a Bible.
Oh, so was it this partnership of George's beliefs and his business sense that made Cadbury so famous today?
Absolutely right. That's exactly right.
Oh, and they still taste just as good today. They are yummy. Oh, sorry guys, that was the last one.
You are so lucky.
Sorry guys, I could have shared them with all of you. Oh, it's just one. This is really good though. It tastes so good. Who here likes chocolate?
Listen, do you want to know a secret?
It's such a shame I can't share this one with you.